When I first decided to try the UNA GELLA French Gel X nails, I was excited but a bit apprehensive. I've never used pressed-on nails before and wondered how they would turn out. This product was sent to me for review. With 15 sizes to choose from, it was a fun task to match each nail to my own nails. The set comes with 5 cards full of nails, enough for 5 manicures, making it a great value for the price. I took my time to carefully select the perfect size for each nail, ensuring a snug fit. Applying the nails was a breeze, especially with the recommended UNA GELLA glue gel. I simply squeezed a small dab of gel onto the press-on nail and carefully pressed it into my natural nail. Using a UV nail curing light, I cured the gel for 2 minutes. It's important to hold pressure on the nail during this time to ensure the glue adheres perfectly to your fingernail. Once applied, I was thrilled with how pretty the nails looked. The French tip design was flawless, and the short square shape was just right for me. However, for practical reasons, I decided to trim them. Trimming these nails is as easy as trimming your natural nails, and they can also be filed to achieve the desired shape and length. One of the standout features of the UNA GELLA French Gel X nails is their matte texture. This is perfect for those who like to paint their nails. The matte finish provides an ideal base for nail polish, allowing for endless customization options. Whether you prefer a classic French tip or a bold, colorful design, these nails can be tailored to your liking, making them a practical choice for anyone looking to extend the life of their manicure.